Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Gyoza Nabe. When we make gyoza, we normally pan fry them, but gyoza tastes so good in nabe or hot pot. Today I'm making gyoza from scratch, but if you can't be bothered, you can just use frozen gyoza. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this Gyoza Nabe, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make the gyoza part. Chinese chive or garlic chive, some cabbage, ground pork. I'm using 200 grams today, but you can use more or less. Gyoza wrapper, I have 50 today. 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon miso paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon salt and pepper. You also need some nappa cabbage, mizuna or any green leafy vegetable you like, 2 tablespoons Chinese soup stock, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, ponzu sauce and chili oil if you like spicy food. As always, I'm starting with the vegetable cutting, so Chinese chive. Chinese chive has this flat leaf. When you snap it, it smells almost like a garlic. Cut this bottom off because it's dried out. Cut it into half, put them together. Cut them into half and put them together. This is just to save your time so that you don't have to slice all the way. And just slice thinly. Put it in a large bowl. Cabbage. Cut the core off. Take some outer leaves. Press it down. Make thin strips. Turn it around and cut it this way so that it's about the same size with sliced chive. And put it in the same bowl. Put 1 teaspoon of salt, mix, and let it sit for 10 minutes to bring out the moisture. Mizuna, cut the bottom off, and just cut it into 2 inches or so all the way to the leaves. Put it in the bowl and set it aside. I'm going to add the mizuna to the hot pot at the very last minute because I don't want to lose the texture. Nappa cabbage. Cut the core off. Cut it into half. And put the leafy part aside, and let's cut the bottom part first. The bottom part of nappa cabbage is sometimes very stringy or chewy and difficult to eat. To reduce the chewiness, cut it into thin diagonal strips. Let's put it in the pot. For the top half, you just need to cut it like this. Into the pot. Put 3 cups of water. Chinese soup stock. Some salt and pepper. About a teaspoon. Into the pot. Put Put the lid on and start cooking over medium heat. Now, bring back the cabbage and chive and prepare another large bowl. The salt brought up the moisture and it's wet and wilted. Take some, squeeze it really well. And put it in the other bowl. All in. Add ground pork, miso paste, garlic paste, potato starch, salt and pepper, sesame oil, and knead this well until everything is well cooperated. So squeeze to knead. Let's get. Now I'm wrapping gyoza, so I have gyoza filling, bowl of water, and gyoza wrapper here. Put gyoza wrapper on your non-dominant hand. Half a spoon of filling in the middle. Wet the edge with the water. Fold it, but don't close it here. It's open like a taco. And using this one, you're making pleats and this one stays flat. So pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Like this. So on this side, you have some pleats, but this side, it's flat. Let me show you one more time. So gyoza wrapper on your non-dominant hand. Half a spoon of filling in the middle. Wet the edge. Fold it. And make some pleats with this one and keep this one flat. So pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press. Pinch, tuck, press, and pinch, tuck, press. So some pleats on this side, but no pleats on the other side. All done. I have some leftover gyoza wrapper and 40 gyoza here. Gyoza wrapper is freezable, so if you have some leftover, just wrap it tight with plastic film like this and freeze. By now, napa cabbage should be cooked through. So let's add the gyoza to the pot. I have some gyoza that couldn't fit in the pot, and gyoza is freezable, so let's freeze them. So prepare a tray lined with plastic film. Put gyoza. Cover it with plastic film. Set it tight. And you just need to freeze them. And when you cook it frozen. I cooked it for 15 minutes and it's completely cooked. Let's add mizuna. Sesame oil for the nice flavor. Put the lid back on, cook for a few minutes to wilt mizuna, and gyoza nabe is ready to go. Time for the tasting. I have some ponzu sauce with a little bit of chili oil in here. Let's put gyoza and some napa cabbage at the bottom. Itadakimasu. I love crispy pan-fried gyoza, but this soft and silky gyoza is very good too. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Gyoza nabe is the main dish, so let's put it here. When we have nabe, we normally don't have soup, so nothing here. Gyoza nabe contains a lot of vegetables, so let's skip one of the side dishes. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. And how about kinoko gohan, mushroom rice here? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!